It's smoky. You gotta get something smoked in the soup. I like how it covers almost the whole space. You can kind of use ingredients that you have in your kitchen from cooking something else.
Hello, my hungry friends!
Hi guys, today's kitchen's closed. We're downtown Szczecin. It's colder than a witch's something or another in a brass something in a place that's cold. But we're gonna go get something hot. What are we getting?
We're getting Paszteciki.
Pasztecikis. So what's cool about this joint?
So this is a place that's been open here in Szczecin since 1969, and it's the one store that's been open the longest in the city. And they sell these gorgeous, delicious fried dough pastries that are stuffed with different fillings, like meat or mushrooms. All of them are savory. They're really good for you.
Yeah, and we're gonna get some hot pastry
and some beet soup.
Because that's what you do because it's cold. And then we're gonna take you down to the Szczecin Palace.
So come along.
What you got in your handsy-wansy?
A thermos.
What you putting in a thermos?
Some beet soup.
Ooh, good idea, because they normally put it in those brown plastic cups, and it burns your fingers in about 2 seconds. Pastry is served here hot. Served hot. As you can see, it's very Eastern Europe out today. The weather's gorgeous. The sun was out for how long this morning?
5.5 minutes.
5.5 minutes. That's a record.
We haven't been here since probably the summer.
Yeah, we came in the summer.
You want to see?
Yeah, you want to see?
There it is. You're supposed to eat these sideways.
Sideways? That's how good girls eat them.
Yeah.
I'm not a good girl. Oh, hot. Hot. Let's go Pasztecik. What'd you think? Huh? That was kind of silly, but hey, what are you gonna do? Okay, so here we go. Dzień dobry.
Can I have your card?
Oczywiście, kochania. Here you go, baby. Ale. O, zimno jest.
Będziemy reklamować nas.
Dziękuję bardzo. This place is old school, kitschy cool. I doubt it's changed.
Pieczarka jest ciepła, nie gorąca.
I do pełna.
There's the machine that makes it all happen. You got the stuff?
Got the stuff, got the product.
Let's bounce. Dziękuję bardzo, do widzenia. Do widzenia. Everybody's do widzenia. Very nice people, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
This is an old joint, but
We got the goods. Let's go.
we got the goods.
Well, let's see what's in there. That's the Pasztecik cups they come in. Hold it like this. And they're thin as paper. And usually they're so hot that they burn you. But we got them in a mug, eh? Or
Yeah, we got it.
thingy. Yeah. All right, let's go eat.
Let's go eat.
We got to go. Green gotta go. This is actually a really beautiful part of Szczecin. But it's being all Eastern European in the winter out.
We'll
Central
come
Europe-
again in the summer.
Yeah, we'll come again this summertime to show you.
We promise.
So when you come to Szczecin, you gotta get tchotchkes. And this is the premier tchotchke shop here in Szczecin. Hi, Papa. Should we nom nom? Yeah. So, before you eat out in the doors, you gotta get rid of the Rona.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh,
So this is what we got. We got.
here's gotta go down from the.
You ready?
I'm ready.
We have
Ow.
3 meat, and this is what our fried pastries look like. This one.
This is the meat.
This is the meat.
Okay, so I show you guys. I know I showed you already in the earlier video, but I'll show you guys what this looks like. I hope it focused good. See the steam coming out of that? Oh.
They're still warm, actually.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
As mentioned, this is
It makes me so happy.
this is a savory pastry,
It is.
and it tastes like a fried pastry should.
Mm-hmm. Super happy. I think it doesn't help that I'm really hungry.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it does help.
Holding.
Pardon. So, how many pastecikis do we give the pasteciki place?
This is not lava.
No, it should be hot, but it's not.
I give Paszteciki.
This place, not in general.
Uh-huh. Eight.
8 pasteciki out of 10? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Why is it not a 10?
Because only homemade Paszteciki tastes better.
Uh-huh. And I think last visit, we had a filling to dough ratio problem.
Yeah? How about now?
It's good. This one's better.
I used to, when I went to high school in the city, I actually had to commute by by 2 buses and a tram, or one bus and 2 trams. That took me about an hour in the morning. And depends how the buses went in the afternoon. But on the way from high school to the bus stop, there was a Paszteciki shop. So I was a frequent
Pasteciki eater?
frequent guest, or if you will, I should have gotten like a frequent flyer card or something.
Well, I'm going to give this place a 7 because the first 2 inches of this bun I just ate into the pasteciki was all dough.
Oh, but dough's good.
Well, that's the thing.
Show our viewers the cabbage filling.
Yeah, there you go.
I have meat, and this is cabbage.
Mm.
And cabbage is sauerkraut that's been cooked.
Yeah, it's really good. And we're in a palace. Here's some information about the palace. The Szczecin Castle is also known as the House of the Griffin Dukes and the Duchy of Pomerania. See, Szczecin sits in the state of West Pomerania, and these dukes were in charge of that way back in the day.
When is that?
I'm going to tell her.
Okay.
How about you just chicho over there? The Pomeranian Dukes Castle in Szczecin is the oldest and most magnificent historical seat of the rulers from the Griffin family who ruled over Pomerania between the 13th and mid-17th century. In 1720, Szczecin and West Pomerania became part of the Kingdom of Prussia, and then, until 1945, they were part of Germany. As a result of World War II, the eastern part of Germany, including Szczecin, formerly the capital of the Duchy of Griffins, became part of Poland. Currently, the historical lands of the Duchy of Pomerania are located in 2 countries, Poland and Germany. The Pomeranian Dukes Castle in Szczecin is located on the natural elevation on the left bank of the Oder River. The castle as we know it today had its humble beginnings around 1235, when a wooden manor house for the Duke Władysław I was erected. Over time, the castle developed into what you see now. That is, of course, until the Nazis came. The Szczecin castle was devastated by the end of World War II when Allied air forces bombarded German cities wanting to force Hitler's capitulation. The bombing of the old town of Szczecin on August 17th of 1944 completely destroyed the roofs of the castles, its inner walls, and elements of its historical furnishings. It was the greatest destruction that the castle had seen in its almost 400-year history. The ducal castle of Szczecin was seen as one of the most valuable historical monuments in the region. It was recognized as a symbol of West Pomerania, and the decision was made to restore it. However, the former seat of the Griffin princes was in utter ruin. The extent of the damage was assessed at over 60%. The first works on reconstruction began in 1946. During this process, a burial crypt was found with a number of ducal sarcophagi, containing remains of ceremonial costumes as well as Renaissance jewelry. So,
And this Pasztecik is really nice.
what
and
did this
hot.
run?
Oh, I paid. I don't remember.
Well,
I think.
we will look at the video, and we'll look at the menu, and my lovely wife will put it in the video how much this cost. But it's not much. I have really greasy hands.
That's how it. No. That's how it's supposed to be.
The reconstruction of the castle was carried out in 2 stages. Between the years of 1958 and 1964, the northern ring was rebuilt. The second stage began in 1970 and was completed in 1985. The reconstruction of the Pomeranian Dukes castle was completed 23 years after it began. Today, the Szczecin Palace contains many public offices and offerings, such as a restaurant, a museum, opera house, and even a place to get married by the Justice of the Peace. Concerts are held regularly inside its walls, as is a wonderful Christmas market. That will not happen this year, but we'll show you next year.
That's our episode.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate it.
If you liked it, give us a like and subscribe to our channel so we know to make more videos for you.
And if you want to, jump on the merch store at polishkitchen.com. Buy some nice stuff. It's pretty good. And
you're gonna need some sweatshirts. It's gonna be cold.
It's cold.
You're excited to see cold winter, Polish winter with us?
It's gonna be gorgeous, just like this. Thanks for watching, guys.
We'll see you next time. Do widzenia.